everyone, my name is Shannon and this is my channel, The Sewing Warehouse. Welcome. I know it has been a while since I last posted a video, but I've been so busy with my wedding and everything around that and exams that I just haven't been able to vlog as much as I want to, which is annoying because I've got a lot of cool ideas of content and I've actually filmed some content already that I'm just like need to edit together so I can put it out. But yeah, that is all on the back burner for a little bit. However, I did want to come on quickly during my lunch hour because I just received my little Miss So and So subscription box and I want to open it with you. Now, before I start unpacking this box, let me tell you a little bit about the box. So I subscribe to the Little Miss So and So All Set to Sew So Special subscription box, and it costs £45 a month, and you get a pattern, about 3 meters of fabric, like enough to make the pattern up, all the notions that you need, matching thread, and a sewing gift. And you can also subscribe to this So Luxurious box, which costs about £65 a month, and then you get designer dressmaker fabric instead of regular dressmaking fabric. The different thing with the Little Miss So and So subscription box is that you can actually choose what you get. So on the first of the month you will get an email. You can choose a stretch or a woven pattern, and the stretch or woven fabrics, there'll be a selection of a couple where you can choose from. However, I decided not to do that, and I have the team of Little Miss So and So pick for me, so I have no idea what's going to be in the box. So let's start opening it. I always try not to just open it. Oh, 2 spools of thread. Interesting. Different colours. Interesting. So I've got like baby pink and a light purple colorway thread. Then there's this stretch choice. Oh, here's the monthly treat. It's a pattern this time. A pattern from Waves and Wild. It's a top. That's nice. So what does this have to say? We have chosen the simply yet stunning Lori pleated tee from named pattern company. For your stretch choice this month. We loved it for its simplicity, yet also for the pleat detail that gives the simple tee some interest. You really can't have too many tees in your wardrobe. I guess that's true. Alright. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, so there's some interfacing. This is nice. Oh, there's 2 fabrics. Oh. Feels really nice. It feels really soft, I must say. I like that. Is that? Yeah, it's kind of like a tie-dye look, I guess. It's not really my thing, but let's see what the pattern is. And then there's this purple fabric as well. I wonder if because I don't see these fabrics matching as much. So I'm wondering if they just like chose 2 fabrics. I mean, I don't think they go together that well, but let's have a look at what this pattern is supposed to look like. Oh, there's no picture. It's just there's no instructions. Okay, interesting. So this is just a printed PDF. I have no idea what the end result is going to look like. So I don't know if I'm going to be happy with this or not. But yeah, interesting. 2 fabrics. So you think like, oh, they gave us enough to make 2 options rather than 1? Like make, doesn't say here. If they did, that would be really cool. If they just like, well, we really like this pattern, but it doesn't need 3 meters of fabric, so we're just going to include 2 fabrics rather than 1. That would be cool. That would be, I would be very pleased with that. I'm gonna now look up a picture and put it in so you can all see what the pattern actually looks like. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with this box. The fabric feels nice. I like named patterns. I just made the Cisco dress by named patterns, and their instructions are really good. And I'm also making another pattern of theirs, so it's not a new to me pattern company. And I really like their patterns. I just don't know this pattern, so I'm just gonna have a look at what it is, and then get back to work. All right, see you later.